So this is the actual Tom Brown trailhead out here at gun range. There's actually showers, water, nice map of the area.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Okay. We're going to do a new, we're going to build another one?
One between, so a medium one between these two, and then a higher one over here.
This is my favorite.
About a little under 2 feet. This is a little over 2 feet, so maybe 18 inches.
Hey man, how are you?
So parts
And
wise,
down here,
we're
going to try to
on
make
each side.
2 and 2.
Yeah.
So the first 2 we'll just do like that. We'll just set the poles on top of the poles. I got some straps. Also, I would like to strap these. So these 2 sets are going to do. I marked this. These 2 more holes here, and of course this is a shorter one, so.
But we're not using the fence post like we did on that.
We're not using this.
Now we got somebody out here who knows what he's doing. Got an official city worker out here now. All right, we got some brand new drops out here at Tom Brown. Looking big. Whoop. Woo! Whoop! Yep. Got the little hill carved back in for a nice little narrow descent. All right, this is the new cut in. Widen out the side here so you can kind of rail it. Probably needs a berm. Leveled this all out. Come down. Made a little drainage area here where water was accumulating. Got a little descent, little hump, and back down. And we redid this booter here. Packed it in. Nice landing, cleared out. And then on to the biggest jump at gun range.
the old hip and gun range. It used to basically, that's a kicker right there. Used to be a gap, but now we filled in the gap, made it a bit more of a table. But it's still a hip. But if the kids really want to boost it, they can come from there and then land here. This landing's still being worked on. And you can also, from this top line here, basically use this gap to get down into this lower line at the bottom.
Nice. Awesome, man.
No worries.
Oh, I was gonna get you.
Come over here.